So another position that we have is for the Facility Supervisor, and today we have with us Humayun. Thank you for joining. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Humayun. I am from Pakistan. I am working here from last 2 years in the facility management company, Safari group of companies in Riyadh. I am working in as a HR coordinator in our side. I manage all the payroll and HR related issues with our side to our HQ. All the issues regarding HR issues, all the issues regarding employees transfer, employees salaries issues, employees new hire, new recruitment, also the employees that we hire from our local beneficiaries.
Okay, very good. Thank you for the brief. So just to start with, but you have your major experience in mechanical area, right? You are also
basically my previous job experience is as mechanical. I am working in the Lama Iqbal International Airport in mechanical section EMPCS from last 3 years before joining the Safari group of companies. So that's my experience in mechanical field. But when I switched my job from Lahore to Riyadh, so I switched my job from mechanical section to HR coordinator in facility management company.
Okay, very good. So I believe that the shift, from the role, it came because someone needs someone to manage and supervise things, right?
Yeah.
Good. So how's your experience with supervising? How are you managing? How are you planning things?
I'm planning all the things with the coordination of my project management. Here in our side, all the things are done by our project manager. He assigns us some duties, some tasks, and we will discuss with our manager regarding employees' shift, how to manage all the employees in different shifts, regarding their duties, regarding their responsibilities, how to close the work orders from the client, how to manage and how to making all the things in the proper logbook, and then we execute our required job with the help of our project manager. We coordinate with our manager and we assign different duties to different employees in our section.
Okay, very good. So majorly you're talking about, with the supervisors and with the project managers you work, and the log that you mentioned. So are you using any tool or just an Excel file, or how you manage the log?
In our Safari group of companies, they assign us a software, Microsoft 360 AX financing and operations. This is the basically software. We will enter all the things, all the work orders, all the PO, all the SO, where from the work order came, who completed the job, who did the job, which material is used, which material is required. We all these mentioned materials, required materials, who done the job, what is the name of employee, whoever done the job, all is completely in the system.
Managing the system.
Managing the system.
You also take care of the financial side?
Yeah.
So finance control, you also do that, right? What you get from the warehouse and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Wijdan, you have any questions?
Yeah, okay, Humayun. Tell me more about a problem you solved at work.
Basically, our company is facility management company. We are here to make the client happy. Client give any complaint, any maintenance work order, they will make a paper. Paper is completely through the proper channel. They will give us a work order number. We receive a work order number from the computer operator. He give us that this is your work order. You need to repair this thing. You need to perform this job in that area where we perform our duties. When they will give us that work order, we will check in which department we utilize this work order. Maybe HVAC, maybe electrical, maybe low voltage. It's already mentioned on that work order. When we see that work order, we will check, okay, this is HVAC. Then we follow and then we give that work order to proper channel to the HVAC foreman, HVAC supervisor. He check what is the work. If there is small maintenance, they will do by self. Then they will close. If there is some material required, for example, if there is a complaint of AC, they need to change the whole AC. The AC is not good, or they change their filter, or they change their switchboard. We will check, and then after the help of our supervisor related to that field, they will inform that we need that material. Then we make that SO and PO, and then we purchase that material from our warehouse. We will send that copy of client, and then we send to our warehouse. They will bring that material, and then we give that material to our foreman supervisor. Then they will perform their duty, and they will write on that work order we use this material, cost, and who performed this job. Then client check the AC, then he client approve, then the close work order.
Okay.
That's our
That's great. That's great.
process of our.
Okay, after hired you in the new job, so what the added value you will add it in this company?
Any company offer me a job, I will utilize my all the abilities, all the qualities that I perform here in Safari group of companies. I also working as maintenance supervisor. I also working as HR coordinator, and I also working as 2 different positions. So if a company offer me any job, I will perform my duties according to my ability, and I take that company to higher and next level.
Okay, that's good.
So if you think that you are not fit for job, I mean, you need an extra skill or need extra training, will you go for this extra training by yourself?
I will definitely go if there is something.
You will learn by yourself, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, good. So let's put you in a hot seat. Right? Thinking about a scenario or a situation, which is actually linking with what Wijdan said, the problem solving or the challenges that you face. So imagine that you're sitting in an office and you receive a call from supervisor, and a customer is complaining about one of the issues that they're facing. It could be winter is coming, so now the heater is not working, and they want you to fix within 30 minutes. You call your guys and they're not available for next 30 minutes. What are you going to do?
First of all, we check what is the requirement of client. If he asks that we need to repair this thing in 30 minutes, we have already backup of our employees. We will arrange that shifts, arrange that employees in that particular order, that even if a complaint came in an emergency situation, we can handle all these complaints. We have backup. We create a backup for ourselves, for our safety. If there is no employee available for performing this job, we make our schedule, our employees' duties in that way that if there is any complaint came in emergency situation, we have backup and we.
But imagine your backup is not available as well. So you have 2 guys and both of them are not available. What are you going to do?
Then we simply go to the client and we ask him, please wait for some
So you
time.
communicate with the client. So
We
that's
communicate
basically
with the
I
client.
wanted to
Yeah,
hear,
yeah.
like, you solve it from both ways, right?
Yeah.
One is from the technical side and
Technical
one is
side.
from the customer side.
Customer
So
side.
that's basically what I wanted
We
to hear.
satisfy both. We satisfy our employee also. We satisfy our client also. Please, there is some issue, there is some problem. So we can rectify your problem. Not in 30 minutes, but in 1 hour. No problem. You can wait.
Or maybe change the room or try to give them a different facility, maybe,
Yeah.
right? Tib, okay, good. For me personally, I think the only thing I would highly recommend is for you to grow in terms of learning and training and have communication. You just need to maybe improve furthermore, right? You're in Saudi market, and do you speak Arabic?
Not, but I understand. But my speaking quality, speaking.
As Shihad, right? Okay, so yeah, I think that's maybe one area that you need to improve.
How do you handle the conflict at work? I mean, your job now, it's required from you to contact with your team, right? So tell me about that, how you can handle it.
We can basically, if a complaint came from our client, we have all the departments, and all the departments have all the responsible supervisors, foremen. We did not direct contact with employees. We only contact with their foremen, their technical responsibles. If there is a complaint coming from electrical department, we contact only with electrical head, electrical foreman, electrical responsible, and then we assign that duty to electrical supervisor. Then again, the electrical supervisor assign that kind of job to his employee, whatever he want to give this employee. We basically coordinate with the section head. We receive a complaint from our client. We directly give that complaint to the section head. Then it's a matter of section head, how he handle his responsibilities, how he handle this complaint, and how he resolve the matter. Then after resolving, he inform us that the job is completed. This employee completed the job. Then we go back to client and ask him, your given job is completed. So that's our process.
Okay, good. Thank you, Humayun. And I believe that I think with this We may carry on with the second round with you in case if when there is an actual opportunity to understand more and maybe get into more technical knowledge and information on exactly how you will carry on with the work, right?
Yeah.
But yes, the recommendation is to improve the communication, get into some trainings, get to learn about, and there are some facility management certifications as well. So maybe you want to understand that also.
Yes.
Inshallah, definitely.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.